Hello, Karma babies. How are you today? Well, guys, I'm still at the hospital and I'm joining you today just for a quick lunch. I'm just going to have a sandwich today, and um, I'm not really that hungry. It's lunchtime, and a sandwich is plenty. Um, Today I'm going to have with you, go get something to eat with me, okay? Go and get something while I'm talking right now. Just go get something, anything to eat with me, a quick little snack so we can sit and talk for a little while and visit for a little while, okay? Um, I am still at the hospital, the rehab center with Grandpa, and um, he's doing really, really well. Today is Sunday, the 21st. I'm not real sure when you're going to get this video because this is one that I would have to upload. And so I'm not real sure when you'll get this video. So it may be a couple of days from now. When I go home, I'll usually, try to upload a few things and put them in queue to be released at a future date. So again, hello my karma babies, how are you? And if you're new to my channel here, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and become part of the karma family. And to all my karma babies, oh my goodness, thank you. We're going to talk about the fact that I went live, right? I went live for the first time. But let me show you what I'm going to have today. I'm having let me take this off so you can see it. Let me put this here. I'm having a sandwich that's called pimento. Well, some of the bread came on top of here, and I don't have a fork or anything in here, but that's just the white right there is some of the bread that came off the top. So I'm sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, the beautiful color of the, wish I had brought a fork or something second. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that up a little bit because I want you guys to get really the true effect of the sandwich. And this is I'm eating it so I can touch it, but I want you to be able to see everything. So, okay, so as you can see, it's cheese. Well, I'm going to let you know that it is cheese, and pimento sandwiches or pimento loaves are usually made with sharp cheddar cheese, and some mayonnaise, and the little red things in there are actually pimentos, and it's made into a spread, and you can eat it on. Let's put a little salt on here. You can eat this on sandwiches. See how beautiful that looks? That look good. Let's hold it so I can get, there we go. There we go. Okay, so it's made, I think that was a good picture of it, huh? It's made, you can eat it with, on sandwiches. I'm going to put some black pepper on it. And I'm drinking water with my sandwich today, and I have a banana. Okay, so you can eat it with bread, or you can eat it on crackers as a spread, or with some nice fresh vegetables as like a little dip. It's a dipping sauce, basically. Let's give it a taste. See how that looks? Pimento sandwich. Let's give it a taste. You know this smile, right, Karma babies? It's very good. Very creamy. I can taste the richness of the cheddar cheese, and the mayonnaise really blends it out and makes it nice and smooth. And I can taste the pimentos in there. You know, this is really like a southern dish. Yes. Very well known in the South. So good. Very delicious. So guys, let's talk about yesterday. Oh, I have some crackers. I have some potatoes. These are popular in the South, Lay's potato chips. Let's talk about yesterday. I went live on YouTube for the very first time. That was my very first time ever going live. And I had so much fun. I had so much fun. That is something really amazing that YouTube offers. Delicious chips. They're just the plain classic ones. Nothing fancy. Oh, babies. I wish you could taste this. So good. So good. Listen. I am so happy that I finally got up the courage to go live. And I was thinking to myself, you know, so you're going to go live and there's going to be nobody there but you. But I'm telling you, from the time I hit that button for live, people were coming in. Oh my goodness. It was packed. We had so much fun. We were just talking with each other. There were a couple of people, their birthdays was yesterday. We were wishing them happy birthday. I was able to shout out everybody's names as quickly as I could because I don't know how to control the scrolling yet, but I'm gonna learn. Oh man, was it fun. So much fun. If you've never tried a pimento loaf, look up the recipe if you can't find it where you live. Like I said, it's just cheddar cheese. And, you know, you can get the cheese, you know, in the jar. Like the dip that a lot of folks use, that dip, just get that cheddar cheese. It'll make it really, really easy. And hey, this is going to be a pimento loaf recipe because it's so easy. I don't need to show you how to do it. Get a jar of that cheese. Some people put onion in theirs. I don't particularly like the onion, but, you know, put what you like. Sometimes people might put relish in there. I don't have relish. This one is just plain. And, get your mayonnaise. If you need a little mayonnaise to kind of help smooth it out a little bit. And get a little jar, those little jars of pimentos. You cut that up and put it in there and make a dip. And you got your good old Southern pimento loaf or pimento sandwich. Absolutely delicious. I think I found a good way now to hold my camera. I ran home the other day and picked up a few things that I needed for down here. Oops. And I brought my tripod. So it's sitting on a tripod. So much easier than me trying to balance it and all of that. So much easier. So, I guess this is a pretty unusual sandwich. My water just went down the wrong. I've been trying to get a cold too, guys, so I got to stay hydrated. And, sometimes at night, the hospital and my little cot thing that I'm sleeping on, little sofa, is right by the window. And sometimes I get a chill. And I noticed this morning that I had the sniffles, and I don't want to be sick around Grandpa, so I got to stay well. He is in the room now sleeping. I'm in the conference room like I was yesterday when I went live, and you'll see a couple of videos with me in here. It's a nice little conference room. I'm here by myself. There's no one in here. So I'm comfortable. And nobody in here but me and you. Delicious. So Grandpa is doing so well. He's able to move, the hand a little more that he broke. He's not going up or anything like that, but he can kind of move it like this, and use his hand to feed himself. And he's loving that he's able to, he's getting some of his strength back, and I'm telling you, he's gained so much weight. That is really one of the major obstacles that we had to overcome, his weight. And he is right on target. So he had fried chicken for lunch. And he ate 2 pieces of chicken. Tell me in the comments, what is the most unusual sandwich? I think this is pretty unusual, especially since it's a pretty much of a Southern dish. Tell me, what is one of the most unusual sandwiches that you've ever eaten? That might be just for, the area that you live in. I love these potato chip Lay's. Go perfect with the sandwich. Delicious. So, this week coming up, today, like I said, is Sunday. I went live yesterday, 1/20, Saturday, 1/20/18, and later in the week, Tuesday, we have to go to the next town and take Grandpa for an appointment. I believe they're going to look at his stitches and they may even take them out. I'm not sure. Be nice if they took the stitches out. So that's going to be a chore, you know, getting Grandpa in the truck. But they're so helpful here. You know, they'll help me get him in, and when I get to the hospital, they'll help me take him out. I've never driven to this town in the truck by, you know, but Grandpa be there with me, so he'll give me directions. And I did pretty good when I had to drive to another town to make a delivery of tamales, so I feel pretty comfortable. Have to be more independent, you know. Before I would just sit back and ride. I can't wait for those days to come back again. I'm not that crazy about driving and, you know, cars and things like that, so. I'm full off of that sandwich. Have a banana, but I'm not going to be able to eat that. I'll eat that for a snack a little bit later on. So, guys, I hope you join me for this quick lunch. I hope you enjoyed watching this little clip where I'm showing you a different variation of a different type of a sandwich. It's called the pimento sandwich or pimento loaf sandwich. And it was delicious, guys. And listen, how others treat you is their karma. But how you respond to it is your karma. So my karma babies, I love you. Grandpa said hello, and all the love that he's getting and all the prayers, I have no doubt is going toward helping him heal faster and helping him heal complete and whole again. So my karma babies, I love you, and I will see you. Oops, I thought I dropped something. I will see you, my karma babies, in the next video. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.